Hi, welcome to part 1.2 of the course. In this lesson, we will go over some other important tax definitions. Let's begin. Income. This is money received, especially on a regular basis for work performed or through investments. Deductions. These are benefits received which help to lower your taxable income or the amount of money you are taxed on. Resident. A resident is any individual who is permanently residing in the U.S. but does not have citizenship. So if you have a green card, then you are considered a resident. Non-resident. This is any individual who is not a U.S. citizen or U.S. national. A non-resident can also be classified as anyone who does not have a green card. Tax treaty. This is an agreement between two countries which gives benefits that can reduce the amount of income a non-resident is taxed on. Social Security number. This is a 9-digit number issued by the U.S. government for identification purposes. This number is issued to all U.S. citizens, eligible residents, and eligible non-residents who apply for one. Green card. This is a permanent resident card which allows a person to live and work in the U.S. Substantial presence test. This is a test which helps to determine if an individual should be taxed as a resident or non-resident. F1 student visa. This is a non-immigrant visa issued to students enrolled at qualified educational institutions in the U.S. This allows for a foreign student to live and study in the U.S. Form 8843. This is a statement filed by all non-residents for tax purposes. It is for informational purposes only and does not report a person's income. Form 1040-NR. This is the IRS income tax return for non-residents. Form 1040-NR Easy. This is the IRS income tax return for non-residents who do not have children, do not have business income, interest income, or investment income. This is a simplified version of the 1040-NR. W-4. This is the employee's withholding certificate. This form is filled out by the employee and it tells the employer how much taxes to withhold from the employee's paycheck. W-2. This is the wage and tax statement. This form reports the employee's annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from their paycheck. 1042-S. This is the foreign person's U.S. source income subject to withholding. This form is used to report certain types of income paid to foreign persons. One example being a resident advisor or another student program. In summary, in this lesson, you've learned the definitions of some important tax terms. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please continue in the course to lesson 1.3 after taking the short quiz. Thank you. Bye-bye.